Are your incoming calls not appearing on the screen? Or, the missed calls notification not showing in your Android phone? Or, your phone not ringing on incoming calls? If you are also facing a similar issue, don't worry. You just need to tweak a few settings, and everything is going to be alright. Let's check out what you need to do to fix the issue of call screen not visible for incoming calls. Restart your phone. Before tinkering with any setting, let's try the supreme solution of all. Restart your phone and see if the problem is solved. Clear cache and data. If the restart failed to fix the problem, then you need to clear the data and cache of the phone application. To clear the data and cache of the phone app, just follow these simple steps. First of all, head to the settings. Then Apps. From the list of installed apps, tap on the phone. In the next step, select the option Storage. Tap on Clear Cache first. Restart your device and see if the issue is gone. If it's still there, tap on Clear Data Storage depending on the option available on your phone. Don't worry, as doing that won't delete your data. If clearing cache doesn't help, delete data for the app. Kindly note, clearing data will clear your call history and reset the phone app settings. Enable the notifications for phone application. If you have been playing with the notification settings on your Android smartphone, then the chances are that you have disabled the notifications for the phone app. So, make sure that the notifications are enabled for the phone app. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.